Hey, hello everyone, welcome to the creatube.xyz and another awesome video. It's Habib and today we will going to discuss how you can stabilize an image and DaVinci Resolve without dedicated GPU. I mean, you might face when you want to stabilize an image and DaVinci Resolve, the program will abruptly be closed. I'm sure it will happen with you. So what might be the next step and what should you do to stabilize the image? You might have the dedicated GPU on your machine, but it might be the GPU didn't have much performance to done this job. So today in this video we are going to find out how we can stabilize an image without any crash or error or without GPU and DaVinci Resolve in any machine. So with that said, roll the intro. So before we should start, I will have to introduce creatube.xyz website that can gives you free lookup tables for Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro or DaVinci Resolve. So it's completely free. You can sign up today and get your free and fresh LUTs every week updated. So with that said, get it done. So let's have a look to this clip. If you want to work on this clip, it has a little bit unstabilized movement, so we want to stabilize this currently in this program. And this machine right now, you can see it is a MacBook Pro 2014 without any GPU. It has the Intel shared VRAM on it. So let's stabilize this image and see the performance of this machine. Along with this, is the program will be get closing or not. So let's jump to the color tab. After that we can go to the tracker page or tracker tab. So you can see it right now here, the stabilization. So click on the stabilization, then you have three options here. I will have to go with the perspective because this shot, as you can see, from one angle. Just same like this, we have to get it. Oops, as you can see, we faced the abruptly closed of the program, and now what we should do. So let's solve it. So first, once again, we are going to open the DaVinci Resolve and let's import the video. So we should import that video. We are going to work on that. Same like this. So now we are on the media tab. So let's move on the color tab and get the jump done. So after that, as you can see, the image is ready. Click on the tracker tab and from here, the stabilization. As you can see, we have a three dot here in the right corner of the stabilization name. Click on this. You can see the last menu, GPU acceleration. It's already ticked. You just need to untick this and there we go. Boom, it's work. I know it's very easy, but we should focus on the small issues that we are facing during our work with the DaVinci Resolve. I hope you find this video helpful. For more awesome videos like this, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and make sure to turn off the notification bell that you can receive our latest video in a couple of seconds. So with that said, stay creative and stay safe.